Now, former youth coach Andrew Edwards says time was always going to be a problem for the national under-17 team in their attempt to qualify for their third Youth World Cup. Christopher Scott reports.
The young reggae boys were unable to make use of their opportunity to appear at the Under-17 World Cup in Peru in November. This after their most recent campaign at the CONCACAF Under-17 Championship ended at the first knockout phase after a 2-1 loss to hosts Guatemala. But less than 6 months to get them ready for the championship in Central America was always going to be an uphill climb for Merron Gordon and his staff. Former Under-17 coach and technical director for Kingston College, Andrew Edwards, says that if they are to make it to another World Cup, they have to have ample time to get ready.
Having an extended period of preparation, to the best of my knowledge, those 3 teams were being prepared at least a year before the actual competition in which they qualified. And I think the next best we had is when I coached a team in 2015, another team that was being prepared for well over 6 months, probably about a year, because I was away in Germany before I came and took over the team. And so that is the first place of reference, that we need to have proper and extended preparation for the teams.
Edwards also believes that there should be a structure in place to ensure that teams have enough time to get ready for these competitions.
It's not down to Andrew Edwards when he's the coach, Merron Gordon when he's the coach, Wendell Downs when he's the coach, Lenny Hyde when he's the coach, and so on. But actually that there are specific things itemized from 1 to whatever number that guides when a team is selected, how the process works, when we depart for tournaments, what are the equipment that we travel with, etc., etc. So I think we are now at a stage where these things must become norm and the way that we operate.
The team's style of play also may have worked against them, according to Edwards, who feels it made calls go against them.
And I know that within CONCACAF, Jamaica is one of the teams that is targeted as a team that is too physical in its approach. So that is something that the referees coming to the game and paying attention to.
All semi-finalists at the CONCACAF Under-17 Championship will qualify for the World Cup. Jamaica has qualified for the Under-17 World Cup on 2 occasions in 1999 and 2011. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.